today. Oh, going to meet you. Kudasai. Kudasai. I don't know like how to pronounce that Japanese word. Where are you learning Japanese from? I have been waiting. Sorry, I have been watching your videos for a long time, but at the time I didn't even know how to send help. Oh, really? Oh, you didn't know how to subscribe. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You are good at this. I'm trying to. I'm trying to make a lot of amigurumis in my live stream. Thank you so much. Your name is Safa Slays. Can I call you your name? Can can I know what is your name? So I can call your name and I can, every time I can remember you, like I did to others, okay? Okay, I will call you Safa. So I won't forget you. I won't forget you now, okay? I will always remember your name. If you join my live stream, I will say, "Hey, Safa, welcome back." Everybody, welcome back to the live stream, guys, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm crocheting a baby Yoda for today. This is gonna be a baby Yoda, okay? Thank you. Hehe. Sorry, it's kind of word long. No, it's not. It's not, okay? You're most welcome. Will you make anything else today? No, I'm just going to make this baby Yoda for today. I'm not going to make any other things because it's nighttime in my country, okay? I mean it's 10:38, and after some times I will leave the live stream, guys, okay? Let's go over next. It's 1853 in Norway here. Oh, you are from Norway. Wow, it's a great country. European country. I think there is a cold weather, right? And I heard that in Norway, like the daytime will, I mean, you didn't get a chance to watch a daytime, right? It's always like sometimes it will be night in the day also, and the night too. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm out of yarn. See here. Oh my god. I didn't, expect this before. Like, it's going to be like my yarn is almost finished and I need to bring another one. You use military time, cool. Yeah.